Hi, we're talking about why the ketogenic diet is so effective for weight loss. And what I want to talk about right now is kind of the mental and emotional aspects of weight loss and how the ketogenic diet affects these. And this is a lot of people I see on the internet, they don't believe me, but you can click below and I'll try to highlight some studies. There's studies that have been shown. We definitely know that the ketogenic diet works for neurological issues. It's been used for seizure control for well over 100 years. And they are just now seeing that it does help for anxiety, it does help for depression, and there's some just like case studies that it helps with things like binge eating disorder and even like alcoholism. It's even used in a lot of recovery programs. So this is all the emotional aspect of a dietary program, and we really can't ignore that. Like we like to, especially in the United States, feel like in our current culture, we like to ignore emotions. There's something we'll deal with later when we're old and retired, but right now I just need to push through and do what I need to do. We can't ignore the emotional aspect, and that's where the ketogenic diet comes in, and this is why it can be so effective for weight loss, is it can help tame anxiety and depression. Again, I'm not a medical professional. I've read medical journals, and I will link to some below so that you can look at what I'm looking at. But definitely, especially before discontinuing any medications that you're on because of starting the ketogenic diet, work with your healthcare professional. And if you need mental health, then please also work with a healthcare professional. But if you just have like the low-grade anxiety, low-grade depression, low-grade stress that a lot of us in the United States have, maybe not enough for a prescription, maybe not enough to really impact your life a lot, but maybe it's the reason that you eat ice cream after the kids go to bed, or you're in the laundry room like I have been known to, eating chocolate to kind of deal with the stress of life. This is where the ketogenic diet can really come into play, as it does for a lot of people control those little mild mental health systems. Those little mild mental health symptoms. And so if you find that you're a stress eater, or you're eating because you're sad, or you're eating because you're depressed, or you're eating because you're anxious, then this is where the ketogenic diet can really kind of snowball into progress for you as you feel better and you're not tempted to go stress eat, you're not tempted to go eat because you're upset with your life or you're overstressed. And so this is just one other little thing that makes the ketogenic diet so effective for weight loss. I like to look at current trends because some things are trendy just because like they are, but some things are trendy for a reason, and I really think that the ketogenic diet right now is trendy for a reason. It's definitely not the one, it's not like a cure-all, it's not gonna solve all of your problems, but it does make weight loss a little bit easier, and the emotional aspect is probably one of the reasons why this has been effective for a lot of people that haven't been able to lose weight on other diets. So I just want to talk about that for a minute. If you look over here, we do have other reasons why the ketogenic diet is so effective for weight loss. I'm just kind of looking through them one by one in little bite-sized chunks. If you'd like to get started on keto, I would love to have you in my keto family class. It's not just for families, it's for people that like normal everyday food but I do have sections in there for everyone, from your teenage athlete to your kid that maybe is doing the ketogenic diet for seizure control, to mom, dad, everyone in your family. I cover the different things that you're going to want to look for and make sure you are taking into account for each individual person on keto. And then we just make good food that's really it's really nourishing, and it's really good, and it's definitely keto friendly, but it's also not weird, and so you won't have to make two separate meals for people that are off and on keto, because all the food is so good that everyone's going to want to have some. So I would love it if you check that out below. Subscribe over there to my channel, and I will see you another time. Thank you so much.